What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import games from Epic Games to Steam library. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just simply type in store.steampower.com. In both the cases, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein if you are new to Steam, just simply click on this login button here on the right side and then sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, just log in with that account, and then on the left side, you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that and then install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard will look like. Now from here, hover to the library section and then click on Home. After clicking on Home, on the left side at the bottom, you will see the option to add a game. Click on that and then click on Add a non-Steam game. Now, here a new pop-up window will appear wherein it will show you all the applications which are there on your computer. So whatever application like the Xbox or the from the Epic Game or any of the other game launcher that you already have on your computer, just simply click on it once and then the checkbox will be checked. And when you are done, let's say I want to import this Riot client, I'll just check it once. And when you're done, click on add selected programs and then all those game launchers and games will be added to your Steam's library. So this is how you can import your games to the Steam library. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.